Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the DUMOS and the Igloo. Both machines promise to deliver a significant amount of ice daily, but they come with different features and price points. In this video, we'll explore their capabilities, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your home or travel needs. The DUMOS ice maker stands out with its impressive speed, producing 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, generating 8 cylindrical ice cubes in 7 to 8 minutes. For those who prioritize quick ice production, the DUMOS is the clear winner. When it comes to pricing, the DUMOS ice maker is more budget-friendly at $69, while the Igloo model is priced at $87.99. This makes the DUMOS a more attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. Both ice makers are designed for portability, but the DUMOS features a dedicated carry handle, making it easier to transport for camping or parties. The Igloo, while compact, does not have a handle, which could be a consideration for those who plan to move it frequently. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and Igloo ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The DUMOS excels in speed and affordability, while the Igloo offers a trusted brand name and a compact design. Depending on your specific needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.